Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you can.
Hey loves, welcome to or back to my channel, and thank you also very much for joining me for another real life motivational cleaning video. So today I am teaming up with Kim from Kim at Home, and we are just gonna clean for you guys. I decided to clean out all of my cabinets and cupboards. I do it over 3 days because there was a lot that I wanted to go through. But you guys, look at all this stuff. I feel like I borderline feel like a hoarder. Do you guys see all of this crap that we're not using? I feel like a hoarder. But you guys, make sure you check out Kim's video. She is so awesome. She's a wife and also a mother, and she loves to clean with vinegar, you guys. So really go ahead and check out her video. It will be linked down in my description, and I'll also leave like a little iCard up above. But you guys, I'm just looking at all of this and I feel like a hoarder. Like, we have way too much stuff. Americans in general have way too much stuff, in my opinion. But Kim and I want to spread kindness in our video today, you guys. So if you haven't done so already, just text someone, a loved one, or maybe a friend that you think or know that has been going through something, and just say hey and let them know that you love them. I love each and every one of you guys, and I'm so thankful that you guys watch my videos. But yeah, let's go ahead and jump into decluttering my kitchen.
I've been thinking that we're more than just friends. Oh yeah. But maybe your heart is falling for someone else. Whoa, maybe we should talk for a minute. Then maybe we'd be getting somewhere. I just wanna love you a little to see where this is going. I really need to know, babe.
So the first thing I wanted to do is remove everything out of the cabinets. I only started with like our dishware and the things that we use to eat with, simply because if I had to put like the food and stuff in there, it would have become overwhelming, because all of this right here is already overwhelming. But I wanted to look at everything we had all together, which would make me want to get rid of more, instead of like one cabinet at a time. Like, I could use this, I could use this. When I see all of this, you guys, this is ridiculous, number one. But when I see all of this, I'm like, this is too much, and I need to get rid of some stuff. I did get rid of a lot of stuff, and I'm just gonna go ahead and take mine to the thrift store. I do not like to throw stuff away. I feel like if someone else can use it, then just go ahead and donate it. So that is what I am going to do with, well, not a lot, but just some of the stuff that I have here on the table, on the floor, and also on the chairs.
To know it, can we just open up? 'Cause I got to know if you feel the things I do. I might need some help if you let me go. 'Cause I'm flying through the sky and I'm still a little high on you.
So before I go through all of that stuff, you guys, I wanted to clean out the cabinets because I wanted them to be drying while I'm going through that stuff. And I also cleaned out the little drawer that's under the oven.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, na, na, na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are.
So now I'm just going through everything to see what I'm going to keep and what I'm going to donate. You guys, we have so much stuff. I didn't even know what lid went onto this mug or cup or whatever it is. But I found this one mug that says "Let's stay home," and I thought it was so funny because that's all we all did in 2020. And I think I bought that mug in 2019.
Now I thought I should let you know, yeah. No, no, us no more. We don't know, no, us no more. We don't know, no, us no more. We don't know, no, us no more. No, no. We don't know, no, us no more. We don't know, no, us no more. We don't know, no, us no more. No, no. Yeah.
So to my left, I have a brown paper bag that I am just tossing everything in that I'm going to donate. And I do end up filling up 2 paper bags of stuff that I'm just going to go ahead and donate.
Down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. No, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a hill. That's when I loved you the most. No, I thought I should let you know. No, no, it's no more, no. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more, no, no. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more, no, no. Yeah.
I got on me right now. I mean, that's why I point at it. Pull up. We gon' do that. Pull up. Say pull up. Run it back. Say pull up. Say pull up. Say pull up. Say pull up. Yeah. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Yeah, we get to it, got it stocked up, popped up, got a hand all rocked.
If you're coming over from Kim's channel or if you're new to my channel in general, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Evita and I love posting cleaning and decluttering videos and also recipe videos. I am a wife and also a mother and I currently live in South Carolina. Let me know a little bit about you down in the comments below and let me know where you guys are watching from.
Cash when she walk, she look like a bad when she walk. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Sweet Jesus, I just up the price for the features. I can see the fakes and the leeches. I been getting to it since a fetus. Pull up at the spot, tire squeal. Got it in my passenger, I told her grab the wheel. Friends hating, told her get out, Jordan Peele. But she rocks with me cause she real, for real. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it.
Wide awake is the way that you left me. Side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me. Oh. Now it's clear we are here back at your house. And I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake, now you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right
Once upon a time, the cabinets, all the cabinets and cupboards were all lined with this gray and white sticky paper stuff that you put in your cabinets. But I have since taken it out, and you all see that grease stain. I don't know why there's a grease stain in the cabinet, but I guess it happens. But we are moving soon, so I'm not gonna reline these.
Let's go. Lorito. Yeah. Hey, hey, hey. Oye, baby, no te pone muy cerca. Baby, yo sé que te falta ser mi amor. Yeah, yeah. Pero baby, no te pone así. Te llamé, pero no había señal casual, mi amor. Y te hace falta amor. Y lo estás perdiendo. Oye, mami, baby, no hay más desamor, desamor. Baby, no hay más desamor, desamor. Eso no vale nada, nada, nada. Yeah, y yo no vuelvo más, recuerdos en mi cama cuando te ponías bellaquita para mí. Nunca hablaste mucho, bien calladita. Pero mami, ya yo sabes que te gusta. Estoy guiando sin dirección justa. Tu favorita posición, baby, es cuando no hay ocasión. Sin embargo, eso fue una locura. La negrita que me rompió el corazón. Yeah, yeah. Y tú te crees que yo vuelvo a ti. Yeah.
So right here, I'm just going through all of the seasonings to see if they're expired. And if they're expired, I'm just going to dump the contents into the trash can. And then I'm going to go ahead and recycle the container. I didn't have that many ones that were expired simply because I did this earlier this year. This cabinet.
Amor, baby, no hay más desamor, desamor. Eso no vale nada, nada. Yeah, y yo no vuelvo más, baby. Desamor, desamor, yeah. Desamor,
So here is what everything is looking like. Thank you all so very much for checking this video out today. Do not forget to head on over to Kim at Home's channel and check out her video as well. So I did end up getting rid of a lot of stuff in this cabinet. As you all can see, there's an empty space that I have right there. So awesome that I got rid of that much stuff. I got rid of a lot of stuff in this cabinet as well, and now it just looks a little better. It's not Pinterest perfect, but it looks real good to me now. And then this cabinet, you guys, I didn't know what to do with these because of these mugs, so I was just like, whatever. The drawer looks awesome, but like I said, thank you all so very much for watching. If you haven't done so already, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. But I'll talk to you all in my next video. Bye.
I'll try this a new way. I'm gonna show you the tricks that I know. I'm getting tired of talking, and I need more of a show right now. It's time that you made your mind up, 'cause lately all it ever does is change. Feels like we're only talking.